Hello friends, here Ã.Ř.Ğ back with another useful video that is specially for YouTubers. People who are new to YouTube and want to create videos must be facing a problem that I just faced when I was a beginner. That is the blurred text in recording the videos using Camtasia video recording software. I'll show you the difference between the blurred text and a clear text. In one side we want to record the video in like a good text, but also on the other hand we want to not compromise with the size. We want the size to be very less and very reasonable. So I'll show you the way. Let's go for the examples. I have saved two examples for you guys, and let's have a look at it. This is the Camtasia file. One is with blur text and one is with sharp text. Let's see the difference in them. Before proceeding, I want to show you one very important step. Look at this picture. While recording the screen, you have to click on full screen, as you can see here. After that, the file will be saved in the format .camrec. Now, let's first choose the blur text file and then drag it down to Camtasia in the clip bin and then in your main editor. Now, this is the main step. What resolution you have to choose. Now here you can see that it is showing that for YouTube you should choose 1280 into 720, which I do not recommend because this is the thing that will make your text blur. I'll show you. Let's choose 1280 into 720 and then let's produce it. I'll show you the steps how to produce it as well. Go to custom, then next, 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 next again. Let's name it 1280 text. Now we have to save it on desktop. We'll say finishing. It will finish very soon. It is small video. Now, as you can see, this is the video. You guys can clearly see that the text is in very bad situation. The text is in blurred position. You see? So this is the problem that we have to overcome. Okay, let's go for the second one. Reopen Camtasia for the second project, sharp text. Okay, just follow the same steps for this one. Drag this file down to Camtasia in the clip bin, then in your editor. Now here, the best resolution that I will suggest for the text to be very clearly visible is this one, the 1364 into 768, which is mentioned as recording dimension. Now just click OK and follow the same procedure. I'll skip this for you. Okay guys, we are finished and this is the file 1366. As you guys can clearly see the difference between the previous text and this text, it is very clearly visible. It will be visible even in a 480 pixel mobile phone. You can see all the text, they are very clearly visible. Okay friends, so I hope that you guys got the point. I just wanted to suggest you guys, and if you guys have any questions, please comment below and I'll try to solve them. I'll try to answer them. If possible, I'll also try to make another video on them. Okay friends, thank you for watching this video, and please do not forget to like this video. Your likes, comments and subscriptions are motivation for me to make useful videos for all you guys. Okay, goodbye.